SAF-HOLLAND is a leading manufacturer in chassis-related assemblies and components. We have a wide range of products like axles, suspension systems, fifth wheels and kingpins.
Due to many acquisitions, we have many data warehouse solutions. It was really a challenge to bring those fragmented data sources together into one unified data analytics approach. With SAP Business Data Cloud, we are bringing the data together from multiple SAP and also non-SAP sources into one unified data landscape to provide the business better insight to their data.
SAP plays a key role in providing a framework for harmonized, scalable and data-driven backbone for the entire organization.